How to fix error 403 Google Chrome. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Now, first of all, if your Google Chrome is not working properly or showing 403 error, here's what you can do to fix it. Launch your Settings application, then scroll below until you find the option of Apps. Here, search for Chrome. Once you tap onto Chrome, you will see a page like this. In here, go on to Storage and then clear the cache. Come back. Then here, tap onto App Details in Store. And if it shows Update, tap Update and update your app. Now come back to this app info page again. Then here, tap onto Browser app. Make sure that is toggled on Chrome. And it is your default browser app. Once you do so, you have to tap on Force Stop, then tap on OK. And now, this shall fix your problem. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.